Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? AMZD here, and I want to talk to you about a stimulus update. And the stimulus update, and what's been going on with the stimulus check, in addition to a DIY stimulus and over $1,000 in monetary gifts during this economic times and during this pandemic time. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is AMZD, and I do videos on personal finance, stimulus check, personal development, and different things like that to better our lives. And in this video, I want to talk about stimulus check. Now, it's been 4 months since the EIP $1,200 stimulus check from the Y.E.S Act went out to citizens of the United States. Now, I ask you this. They're working on the second one. So it's been 4 months. April, May, June, July, we're in August. And it's been about 4 months. August 15th would make exactly 4 months that the first round of stimulus check from the Y.E.S Act went out. So that's about 4 months. So that's about $300 a month that the government gave us in order to survive during this pandemic. So $300 a month. And right now it's a big debate about getting a second stimulus check out to the people. A big debate about getting another $1,200, not another $2,000, not a $3,000, not a $1,200 a month, not $1,000 a month for the next 5 months. But it's a big debate, and they cannot decide and come together. Republicans and Democrats cannot decide and come together about getting the people a second stimulus package, which includes a second stimulus check. Now, the president had to do some executive order in order for people to not lose their housing and not lose their money to pay their bills. But what we're going to talk about today is the stimulus update and a DIY stimulus package for yourself or your family and friends and group around you. Now, what I've been doing over the last 3 weeks, I was introduced to this DIY, do-it-yourself stimulus package project, which is on a digital Sou Sou platform, right? And what it basically is, you start off with $25. Hold on. Let me correct myself, because when I tell people you start off with $25 and I tell them you have to do an additional $10 for administration fee, which gives you access to your own back office, your own website back office, people say, I thought you said $25. So let me correct that. A one-time start off of $35 gifting into the system, $25 gift into the system, and a $10 donation to operate the administration, your back office. So what this is a digital Sou Sou, and it has able to me to do my own stimulus package, a do-it-yourself stimulus check. I'm not even going to call it a stimulus check. I'm going to call it a stimulus gift. Because what I started off with gifting another person $25, which at that time, that person was probably gifted around 8 gifts of $25, and they could have used that $200 towards their expenses. Now, I've gifted $25, and I also gifted $100. Within 3 weeks, those $25 I gifted and that $100 I gifted, I was in return able to get 8 gifts of $100 and 5 gifts, almost 6 gifts, and 6 gifts of $25 over the last 3 weeks. Now, for more explanation or breakdown of how it goes, you can check out one of these videos. I'm going to put one of these videos up here. You can check that video about more details of how it goes. But in this video, I'm just going to do a breakdown of how you can also create your own stimulus package, your own stimulus gifts to yourself and to others, and create an extra $1,000 a month gifted, and be able to earn an extra $1,000 a month gifted into your system, into your wallet, into your PayPal, into your Cash App. Most of us use Cash App because it's more convenient. Into your Bitcoins, your Ethereum wallet, whichever kind of wallet you want to put this $1,000 a month stimulus gift into, you can go ahead and do it. Now, it can be more than $1,000 because you can go at other levels. You can go in at a $500 level. But we start off with a $25 because it's more feasible for people to come in with $35, $35, one-time $25 gifting. It's much easier to have people gift $25 and have them invite other people's in at the 25 level than saying, okay, come with $500 and then have other 2 invitees with $500. So the $25 builds you up. Once you have $25 into the system, you have the possibility of being gifted 8 gifts of $25, which will lead you to $200. Now, if you go into the $100 gifting level, you will gift $100, will give you the possibility of being gifted 8 gifts of $100, would gift you $800. So that's how I was able to be gifted over $1,000 in stimulus gift over the last 3 weeks, because I gifted 25 and I gifted 100 and I actually gifted another 25. So in return, it's about $150 that I was gifted, or probably $200 that I gifted myself. And in return, I was gifted over $1,000 in stimulus gift, which helps pay the bills, helps with grocery, helps with running a business if you have a small business, help with starting up a business if you don't have a business. So once again, it's Ansley Dawkins. This is my quick review of how myself and others are creating our own DIY stimulus package, do-it-yourself stimulus package on a digital platform, Digital Sou, using your eternal seed. So if you're interested in creating your own stimulus package and starting to put some extra money and starting to be able to be gifted extra money into your pocket to help out with bills and different things like that, please contact me, send me an email, send me a DM. Let's connect. Let's do this. Many of us are living probably check to check, and we can avoid all of this by creating our own stimulus package. So once again, it's Ansley Dawkins. Hope you got some value out of this. Please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be doing a lot more DIY stimulus package for ourselves and how we can create these. So once again, it's Ansley Dawkins. Continue to be safe. Peace.